Let's go to this now. The sexual abuse case against suspended ANC councillor Tebogo Sepale has been postponed to the 1st of November. He faces charges of rape, sexual abuse, violating children and producing child porn. Sepale has since been suspended from the Matlosana local municipality in Klerksdorp. eNCA reporter Bafedile Moerane is following the story and she joins us now live. Bafedile, we understand Sepale will be applying for bail on his next appearance, but how far are the investigations in relation to his charges?
Well, Masiho, a matter that has been in and out of court has actually been dragging for quite some time, nearly 6 months to where we are since his arrest in April. And at this point in time, we had the National Prosecuting Authority telling the magistrate at the Orkney Magistrate Court here near Klerksdorp, having to say that they have finalized the investigations at this point. And in total, Sepale is facing about 11 charges at this point, which are including 2 charges of rape for 2 minors. And we understand that on the 1st of November now, Sepale, he is actually going to be applying for bail after in his first court appearance, he abandoned the bail application. Now, earlier on, his legal representative told the magistrate that on the first they would like to continue with the bail application. And we know that at this point in time, this matter has actually left the families of the victims very furious, including the community leaders here. We saw various political parties, in particular from the city of Matlosana local municipality at the beginning of the case, having to come in numbers, giving the victims' families support, saying that they want to see justice prevailing. So even today, we spoke to some of the leaders who are saying that the ultimate, they want to see justice prevailing and they want to see the trial sitting. So the National Prosecuting Authority is saying that after the bail process, they are ready for trial to take place. And earlier on, we engaged the African National Congress spokesperson, Tumelo Maroping in the Northwest, who actually said that they have done their part, and this is an unfortunate situation that could have happened. They could not know that the situation will pan out in this manner, because this man, he is perceived to be a great leader. He is perceived to lead by example as a councillor. He is perceived to be one of the good people in the community, in particular because that he was also a pastor. Now the ANC is saying that they are very much disappointed, but they, however, at this point have suspended him from the party and also from taking part at the local municipality, and he is subjected for a disciplinary hearing which is expected to take place on the 5th of next month, depending on the outcome of his bail application. So let us listen to Tumelo Maroping, who is the ANC spokesperson in the Northwest, Masiho.
We have already charged him from the level of the province in terms of the Provincial Disciplinary Committee, and he's supposed to appear on that committee on the 5th of November. But it's unfortunate that, and we must make it very clear that we are disappointed in the manner in which the National Prosecuting Authority has been handling this matter, because it's been in and out for a very long time. But we are hoping that there should be at least a finality on his bail application, so that as the ANC we can also process him. Now we will wait until the 1st of November to hear if he will be given the bail or not. Then the 5th sitting will take a decision on his future. But with regard to the issue of the salary, the same issue that I'm saying, we must respect the rule of law. We are not able to process him in terms of cutting the salary up until the charges that he's facing come to a certain conclusion, whether he's guilty or not guilty. The least that we could have done now is to suspend him and prevent him from participating in terms of the council of sitting, in terms of the activities at the level of the ward. But we can't put a final sanction until there's a verdict.
All right, Bafedile Moerane live for us in the Northwest. Let's leave it there for now.